patch or upgrade ever? Ding ding! You want great 24/7 award-winning customer support? D-I-N-G exclamation point.
That's right. So head on over to Squarespace now because they're making it easy on you. Just use our offer code STUFF when you're ready to launch and you will save 10% off your first purchase. Squarespace, think it, dream it, make it with Squarespace. So Chuck, I was saying the 20th century saw wave after wave of treasure hunter come, dig, and leave penniless.
Sure.
One of those people, though, and we also talked about how Oak Island has been utterly changed. Probably nobody changed the topography and geography of Oak Island more than a guy named Robert Dunfield, who was an engineer, I believe, or no, a geologist. And in 1965, he built a bridge.
The reason why I'm concerned, and I'm
I was going to say, Matt's now going to play the videos. For those of you watching in the YouTube chat room, if you watch these videos, let us know your comments on this, because
Oh, he's making that hard left. There you go.
Sure.
He's going to go across, and then he's going to make another right, and then run to the bathroom.
Oh boy.
And I just heard it over and over again. Like I could have drawn my intestines on my stomach with a marker, and I would have been like the anatomical guy.
And then the throwing up started?
I threw up the next day.
Hey,
because I wasn't eating, and I went to the doctor, and she said, yeah, well, try to eat something that's, will sort of constipate you a little bit, and, some breads and rice and things like that. And so I went to the adult.
I think for the kids too, because they have to apply that tape. Like there's one of the, what do they call them, Joy-Cons has an IR emitter and camera on it, so that it uses those to project IR out and then read IR markers. And so you have, as the builder, you apply the IR reflective tape in various positions, and you learn, okay, so that makes something happen. And you're thinking about how it works, even on a low level, even on a high level. For a kid, I think that's going to be entertaining, to learn how it works and then use it. That's different than just buying a product and it being magical and just working, just so you can play a game. I doubt many kids think about the mechanics of a joystick or the Joy-Con, right? But building these things, they will. And I think that that's a wonderful thing.
And it's pretty transparent too. Like they show you the visualization of what that IR camera sees. And like you said, you are putting those stickers on. And when it breaks, you can then figure out why it's not working. Why isn't that key working on the keyboard?
You can engineer it. You can fix it.
Yeah.
Hi, you've reached the Deep Health Wellness Centre.
RD and then you go. Because I'm going to PRI shop. PRI is on my I'll leave it back to you on that one. Here's some other stuff in the news. TV news. Graveyard Cars, which I know you don't see because you don't have cable. The big deal going on right now is that they have finished the restoration of one of the 2005 Dukes of